Hello everyone, again welcome back. So in this video I am going to discuss with you how to reset or forget your root password in RHEL 8. And this is very important. If you attempt the RHEL 8 exam or if you certified Red Hat, definitely you reset the password during the examination, right? But here I will discuss how you can break. It's a very simple method. Easily you can break. Suppose that you forget your password, so easily you can reset or you can break. So here I will discuss two methods. First method and this second method. In first method I will discuss for in this video, and this second method we will discuss also. So two methods I will show how you can break your root password. Okay. So first step, you will have to reboot your machine, right? Number one thing. So how you will reboot? So easily you can manually reboot in the graphical console, and there when you will reboot, friends, definitely you before reboot the properly before boot break the kernel. You will have to break the kernel process. How you can do? No, just you will have to reboot your machine, then you will have to press up and down arrow key, right? We So just press up key and down arrow key till the kernel is going to break. So first I will go to the terminal and let's reboot your machine. So you easily can exit your terminal, and so friends, easily you can go in graphical console and reboot your machine. Okay, so in graphical console I am going to reboot. So click here restart. So after this, please press up and down arrow key continuously without break. Okay, so I am going to press continuously up and down arrow key. So friends, you can see now I stop booting process. Now here easily you can select anyone. So which one you will have to select, I will share. So here continuously press don't, because you had two options, CentOS stream and here the CentOS stream rescue mode, right? So here you will have to select top one line. Okay, so here you will have to select, and please do not press enter, right? So easily you can use this option, and that option is, you can see in the below, you press for the E and edit and select the items, right? So here you will have to press E after selected this section CentOS stream. Press E. So I am going to press E, right? So friends, here this type of wizard will be opened. So friends, you will have to go in below line and go in this. Okay, now come down, come down. So here you will have to write in quite. So go in this line, friends. In this swap rhgb slash quite, in this line you will have to add some commands. Rd dot break. So I'm going to write here rd dot break. So why I'm using this rd dot break, just understand. And first you will have to know, you will have to give the space right after quite. So I am going to write rd. It will break a ram disk. Break, it will be break the ram disk. Okay, so after this you will have to go in rescue mode. So after this it will on the rescue mode, and already we have discussed the type of uh, emergency mode, target mode. Okay, and multi user dot target. So easily when you will write this rd dot break, so in this you will go in the rescue mode. After this, easily you can break. So friends, I am going to write rt.break, and friends, please do not enter here. You will have to press Ctrl X to start. Okay, so just press Ctrl and X after write this rt.break. So I am going to press Ctrl X. So I am going to enter. Okay, so you will be on the next step. So just wait 1 or 2 minutes. So friends, now see here you have an option. So in this second step, ensure that you remount the sysroot directory with read and write permission. Why read and write permission? Because by default it is mounted on the read only access, right? Indicates that. So you can confirm here by running your command. So you will have to use the command mount, but friends, you will have to know first why this step I am going to use. First, you will have to know. Easily you can grab. Suppose that you want use mount and slash you use pipe symbol here, and you can grab and sysroot. So easily you can see the location of sysroot is the dev mapper cl root on sysroot type. So when you will go in your etc fs tab, entry there is by default entry is there, right? fs file system. But friends, in when you install your operating system, so our OS install in sysroot directory, right? Make sure. And in this sysroot directory, only the permission is only the read only permission, right? But we are going to assign here read and write permission. How you can assign? Definitely use your command mount, and after this use option O for only, and use remount, and you will have to use read and write permission, and from which and sysroot. Okay, this directory already we have discussed. Now after this you will have to enter, right? So I am going to press enter. Then friends, you will have to use another command chroot and sysroot. So why I'm using this chroot? Now understand chroot and sysroot. Friends, chroot is any kind of folders create as a root directory. Sysroot, make sure. So after this you will have to press enter, and friends, now here you will have to set the password. Now again use, already we have discussed the passwd command. Use passwd and root. So we are setting the password for the root user, and after this you will have to write new password. So I am going to write here uh, suppose Devops 123. Enter, again press Devops 123. So authentication is successfully done. Now friends, you will have to use one more line. You will have to press touch and create in space dot auto relabel. So friends, why I am using this auto relabel? right? Just understand, in chroot passwd command you can reset your password, right? We have set this with the help of this chroot and chroot. And here at this moment you will have to finally exit and log out after this. So this part only remaining the enable the file system revabeling. It means to execute your, without this command password will be not break. Make sure if you skip this step, so your password will be not break. So you will have to use touch auto relabel. Now I'm going to hit enter. Now friends, after this just you will have to exit from the terminal, again press exit. Now log out. So it will be reboot automatically and password will be changed. So I'm not going to stop the video, just wait and check. So it is going to proceed. You can wait few minutes. Maybe if you done any misspelled like that auto relabel, so it will not break your password, right? So make sure if you are going to write each and everything, you will have to know that proper step you will have to follow, right? So everything is going right now. So if you not doing these kind of things, so make sure it will be not break your root password. So easily you can see here. So mount hyphen o remount, then use comma and reroute, then use this dash, and then same step you will have to follow. Okay. So it is going to break. So I am going to pause in this right now. After a break, I will back, right? So it will take time approximately 4 5 minutes, right? So friends, my console is open. So now I'm going to log in this. So click here and use root. So first I will write my old password. So it will log in or not. So friends, my old password is not going to access. Now I'm going to write my new password. So definitely it will be logging. So this is the way easily you can break or change your root password. Okay, this is the first method. And second method, it's very simple. We will use rd.break and linux, so it will directly break your password, right? So it's very important, and without auto relabel file it will be break the root password, right? So just it will be login. So friends, my console is login. Okay. So thanks in this video and see you in the next video with the same how to break in another method. Right. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.